Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to use Paysafecard on Fortnite. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Fortnite and then log into your account. So make sure you're logged into your account. So once you've already logged into your account here, so if you're planning to use or add your Paysafecard on Fortnite, so you can simply do that by going to your account option here. So click on the account option. So go to your profile, select your account option. So this will get you to the account settings. So when you get to the account settings here, on your left side menu here, click on payment management. So simply click on payment management, and then this will load up your payment methods that you have. So simply scroll down and you will get to under payment methods, you will see your available payment methods. So if you want to use Paysafecard, then the only way you can do it is by using your Paysafe Mastercard. So you need to have a Paysafe Mastercard in order to use it. So simply click on credit card and then now plug in the details of your Paysafe Mastercard and then save it. So once you have saved it, now you can use your Paysafe Mastercard to make any purchases or payments on Fortnite. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.